Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porcus and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, set up and start use, train the user, and hand over the finished project to the client. Commissioning. The electrical and the logging checks. In the control panel, we need to check the breaker settings. For the setting, check the data plate on the water pump. All connections coming in from external items are secure. Check voltages, the 24 volt inverter, the 220 single phase and the 400 volt 3 phase, and any connections to slaves. PLC Logger. Is the green light on? If the logger is functioning correctly, the green light on the front of the cabinet will be lit. Record the MAC address of the device. After testing, remove and read the SD card to check data has been saved. MOXA modem logging. Connect the MOXA to the internet. Has data been logged online? Check Farm Connect and ensure that data is being received for this installation. For further support, please contact us.